Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, sir. Brothers and sisters. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the platform. See? Now, that's why I always say that you have to name your God, you know. Know your God face and name him. No matter, you can't just bawl and shout out God, God, God. So, you know, whole heap of God out there fight for that. You know, you have some serious, you have some wicked and evil God out there, you know, where some people depend upon faith. Do them bidding for them, you know. See, but now you have a lady, you have a vice out to that lady that go around where she accused Vybz Cartel of some things there, you know, see it. And I think I've heard it before, but today somebody said it come give me. I'm listening now more in depth. Now, I'm not there to validate what the lady say, you know, or endorse what she say. See? Now, I'm not there for defend Vybz Cartel, innocent. See? I'm not there for do that. I could have gone even more, but we don't need to. Who don't want to believe that. Who don't want to believe it, just don't believe it. See? Where I'm there for observe is the nature with which crime are happening in Jamaica today, the propensity and the love, the glamorization where it get, how it get it, why the youth them so drawn to it, and them we could think that we're gonna observe. Seeing from the old voice note here, I'm one the eye them. Listen to it and catch me up on the flip side. I sit down here and listen to it because just the audio I go play. See? And then we have a little discussion later on. So, hear it here. It's kind of long, about 15 minutes still, so now listen. Probably in between me stop it and say a thing or so, but we'll go and listen.
Look how quick gunnings run out. Eh? When me are telling about them wicked politician here, we say anyhow them move gunnings and move Raymond Price and put somebody decent in there when I love to kill him. Me I tell you, it's a different seat. I say Jai Brown have family involved in it around a Christian pen, you know. The vehicle where them drive come kill Kanye, you know. A Jai Brown family vehicle, you know. So all the politicians them round they know where I go on. But you see when them kill people picnic with them no like, them sit down and rejoice. Yeah man, them sit down and rejoice like how them out of school. I paint out of school and Jai Brown, Bella, the councillor for Gregory Park, out there rejoice how them kill Melly. Melly, you know, where mama run up and down back a labor right, now come off a labor right bus. I rejoice how them kill Nelly card, Nelly kill Bailard. Bailard did for dead long time, Jai Brown. Not because he used to grind him family. Jai Brown, Bailard did for dead long time.
That's how the double standard start appear, you know. Seeing, you have some people who deserve it in a fair book. Some people who don't deserve it in a fair book, you know, see it. So, we'll continue, but, you know, time after time we're going.
I'm going to tell you this, is them rifle away, so get take over back side Jai Brown, more uno over there go dead. More uno over there go dead, because the whole uno politician, police. There are some police as them come at Gregory Park Station, so them come on the payroll. You have police there at Gregory Park Station where kill man and build up them house after the wickedness, so you say I go on at Gregory Park. The police them at Gregory Park and 100 man not kill people till them get paid for kill them, you know. At them time, but the police them at 100 man and Gregory Park work, you know. Long devils wanted. All of them man, the trooper. All of them name they want to put up, you know, long them wanted. And if you check Oral Gunning's phone right now, the whole of them number in night. If you go Oral Gunning's yard right now, the whole of them boy, the way you see around there, kill people, run a Christian pen in Mexico, Gunning's know the whole of them.
No, the whole of that statement there. It not foreign, it no sound like news or sound like so you know, and it not strange to I and I. It not, I know something was strange. So we you know, but again, she have the depths and knowledge where the lady are sure. It kind of show you another thing. Says she know more and she involved deeper than she just, you know me, I say she just make herself on the sideline. Just you get what me I say? Yeah. And we are gonna show you, we are the evidence will bring itself up front some more.
But them no want to do nothing to save the poor people. And politicians are like poor people, you know. Politicians are like beggar. So that's why you see them have one over there, kill no half. And then you see them run and come out now to come take the glory. Look on Gunnings. The Gunnings, you know Rambo and Brocky and Doros them a do. But you them gun they take when now we are run out. I don't know that put on a wait to fight election. You know, wicked set of politician, but you know, pick me them a come, you know. And let me tell you this, God nah sleep. God nah sleep. God nah sleep. Ella Uno over there with the behind the artists and kill off the people them like Rebecca Brown. That your daughter used to do with him. And the whole of Uno I get to no pay. Remember me tell you no that the whole of Uno I get to no pay. And me did do the live already and tell you no say, if you no want Gregory Park and Christian Penn to come back, Uno have to kill Rambo, Brocky, Dodos, Santa, Philip, Titiman, Ricky Trooper, Teacher, Big Red, the whole of them around there say Gaza.
Yo, when she done with blood in her Rasta, whole of the swamp over Portmore side, the whole across the waters are blood, you know. Yes, Rasta. That come from a mother. You know, see it.
For no get out the whole of them around the way I say Gaza. Gregory Parker and Christian Penn will never come back. Because all what the Gaza do, I kill the people and with them not like. Kill the people and with them not like. I tell you no gunman we over the say. When you forget up one day and move grow on a Christian Penn main road and get revenge from Vybz Cartel wickedness them when been doing for how long. They tell you how long you do it, you know. You say
it's a matter that, you know, we lose somebody recently, somebody who should be mourning the loss of someone. You know, see it? I tell we don't hear nothing yet. That me I try to show you.
Rambo and Brocky and Dodos and Santa. I do this one to say I go on and have them move around there. Yeah, man, some people need to go around them, man, and shackle down Christian Penn, burn them out, see me like I want to see them go to Mexico, go burn out the people them, and so now I have to go fight Brocky and Santa and Dodos and the whole of them wicked people around a Christian Penn, and so now I have to go fight them. Because if you not fight them, so if you not left them feel comfortable around it, they're not going to always bring in the whole of the man killer them to come kill no half around it.
Yeah, no, she have a list of name and she speak them so fluently like she quite familiar with them. No, me not blame the lady, me just build up my point when I try to make. You know, see it? When I say nothing where she say a lie, I just the nature and the tone where she say them things as a mother. This is what is foreign to I and I. You know, see it? Yes, I.
And the whole of the politician and the pastor, them know where I go on. Pastor Clive Campbell, the pastor for Worldwide, the pastor for 7 Day, them know what what's going on. But because them a reap off of it. 35,000 for a funeral. How much money for funeral? So they are reaping off of it. They are reaping off of it, so them no want to do nothing about it. Look how quick gunnings run out. And look how long, how much innocent people that they are dead. Shantewe is a woman. Shantewe is a woman who no get so much shot. And Bella as the counsel no come out, come say nothing. But as them kill Nelly, she come out and rejoice. Nelly did for dead, man, and Charlene did for dead too.
I say the morning Ashanti they even come out her mouth good. You see it, and she celebrate other people who are dead, and I said them for dead.
Yeah, man, all Charlene did for dead too. The people them need for do a start kill out some of them mama ya. We have them gunman pick me where I walk a kill woman and pick me.
Maddest thing, somebody mother that was still alive, you know. I say, gunman mother for dead. You know, see it. After she still, it's unfortunate and wicked how her son dead. Regardless, but we don't know. Still, we don't know. Because I know we don't hear she declare her son innocence. One time. See? And you know, we have to listen to the rest of the thing. We don't hear so far she declare herself, her son, one time. Before we go too far, I'll show you. The only thing when you see so far, it sounds like somebody who lost or get a prestige because she lost that person who usually enable it. Seeing the loud talk, the way you can come out and walk along the road and your drawers and nobody can say nothing or laugh because the son a bad man. You can come out naked or chase off who you want, chase a dash dirty water upon who you want, dash water upon and them type of thing there. Because your son a bad man. Now him dead, it leave you proper vulnerable because you did abuse the power. Power corrupt, absolute power corrupt. Same goes to Vybz Cartel as well. We now go there discriminate. You know see it. Vybz Cartel have power, power corrupt, absolute power corrupt, absolutely. Man is just a man. Everything what she has said about Vybz Cartel can be true. But the thing is, the way she has said it like one gang leader against another gang leader. She don't sound nowhere near close to being that innocent bystander will get caught up in this unfortunate situation here, Rasta. And tell me if I lie, I tell. The comment section is there. Make we discuss it. And we are going to discuss it further. I'm point not make it yet.
Some of them mother you need for dead out. Yeah, man, all Charlene did for dead when them kill Nelly, man.
Hear the Rasta.
Never Nelly alone did for dead. All Charlene did for dead.
It's a woman this now. A mother this.
Over my son killing. I rejoice over my son killing. I don't know. She said the whole I want to feel the pinch eye. Oh no, she said the whole I want to.
Mummy, may I listen for your ear which church your son did I come for ear which church your son did I come from, which job interview him did I come from, where him did I, you know, and things like that. Normally, that's one of the first things that come out of people head when them are mourn about an unfortunate loss like that. Them start characterize the person who them lost to everybody who them attack to. You know, see. It's just that you mourn so much about your son and you don't remember nothing else about him except your son. You remember everybody else except your son. One time you just mention your son, you didn't even call him name. Well, again, that could be a security risk still, but, you know, I mean, give us some more background, some more, you know, give us something for sorry for your son for. You sound like somebody who would have grown a gunman. It's highly unlikely for your son, the way you sound, it's highly unlikely for your son not be a proper valid target for gun people, Rasta. Come on! You think we are that? Oh, you sound so woman? Eh? I can't feel your pain, Rasta. I cannot feel your pain. Condolences to whoever your son leave behind and all them sort of thing there. But you do not, you know, sound like you miss a son, like you lose a loved one, you sound like you lose a position. You know, see it? And at them sort of attitude there, fuck Jamaica. Mothers like Uno raise people like Vybz Cartel, the same nature way I describe it, Vybz Cartel. If many of them you raise, if you have any more son both there in a society, it's be a them type of thing there. You have Rasta. And be a them type of people there. You raise, you produce. You don't see it. You contribute highly to the destruction of Jamaica there, not today. And you're not taking any responsibility for yourself. You spoil and feel entitled to your ghetto privilege them. As if you know see the mother before you when it's still like you, the one where you aspire to be. As if you know see your son dead and she end up turn like a chaff where just a blow up and down the road like any other is chaff. Anyway, I could continue with the story because someone don't understand on yourself. It's unfortunate that your son dead. Yes, we not celebrate the loss of life under them circumstances. But right now, Rasta, you're not giving the vibes. If you feel sorry for you, lady, I'm sure that are your intent. But the way you cool and clog up, it's hard for that emotion even communicate. And the maddest thing about it is that in the end, you are going to cry, you are going to try cry. And people are going to there wonder if you really are cry. Because them can't see your face. And I saw your sound.
Feel the pinch at you, AIDS body Charlie. You long mouth calling Papa Lou mother. You long mouth calling Papa Lou mother. Why you have too much family at the park for the people who not take on the war the right and proper way. Because if you can't catch quack, you have to catch them shot. Send them message.
You know the name of the game.
Me say when I see son at town.
You preach a principle where you don't think apply to you in this game of badness. You see, is that reach you? You just last year get a privilege, man. Your meal ticket to get a privilege. A summer uno mumatan. And we now roll back na bread boy and go on like we are being naive and come roll over like puppy dog and sorry for uno as soon as uno shed a tear in a rasta. Uno have the opportunity for years to grow mankind, positive contributor in a society. But uno see get a privilege. And that uno aspire to. And the evidence is clear as a lady. And the video not done yet. Still have like 7 more minutes.
I see son at town and I know say son, I want him responsible for Tony Curlew killing. And responsible for my friend's son down in a Clark's Lane killing. Me say when I see him, I tell God, I say God, him can't get away. Him can't get away.
No matter don't know so much details unless them directly involved. Oh man, may I tell you that, you know. I'm in a business and nobody want to comment and say that I'm a cousin or a friend or this is not about Vybz Cartel. Vybz Cartel wasting life. You know, see it? Vybz Cartel should even in a position where nobody accuse him like that today. But even if he's guilty of them acting with the lady push cross. Right, yes sir, Rasta. The lady herself, she not give her character any form of standings for any sociable human being. Show any compassion, Rasta. You know, see it? In some cases, you could have think her son is just another troublemaker, you know what? You know, just and we don't know her son, you know. I give you that impression here, Rasta. She had more damage than good with her nasty attitude. Her cold-hearted, bloodthirsty attitude. You call for mothers dead to people go shoot mothers and children and picnic and burn down house. Eh? How kind of woman this Rasta? How kind of woman them in Jamaica? And the authority where she attack with like she have an expectation for everybody accept. It's an acceptable tone. You know see it? Cause she talk that way, yeah, I should not be, it's like, yeah, you know, me feel your pain, mama, you're done, boy, no cold-hearted and dead inside. Dead inside. You don't go and realize it.
Wait. When I remember all those innocent people with son and breeder walk up and down and kill a Gregory Park. Tony Curlew never trouble no. Tony Curlew never do no nothing. And me I tell you when I see son I say,
She sound like Wally British. She sound very much like Wally British to me. Me not say a Wally British now. You know, Wally British a Portland.
you nah get to it. Never did I remember about my son alone. I never did I remember about my son alone. I didn't remember about Tony Curlew. I didn't remember about the little boy in a Clark's Lane where him a breeder go figure kill and the boy claw breeder and son go shoot him. I remember everything when I see son and I say you. Nah get to it. Just wait till I don't bury my son. You nah get to it. You don't need to kill out the whole of them for around a Christian pen where I say Gaza and who they are Gregory Park I say Gaza to kill them out. Kill them out. Enough people Gaza kill no man. And when me look and see a low man, the Cooper, the Bally, the man, they come on TV, I talk about free artists, and how much mother. The artists, they left a cry. And how much mother. The artists, they left a cry. I don't know how much mother. The artists, they left a cry. I don't know how much pygmy. The artists, they left fatherless. I don't know how much people. The artists, they kill. Jesus Christ, if the artists, they
when they don't cry, the talk.
something better
Wait till they don't cry.
Better country. I have people who have money and defend a little wicked boy there. Jesus Christ, you know how much people pick that boy they kill and then see him ugly pick them and sing song and I do all kind of things.
Too many things that when you say make you sound like a crocodile tears you cry.
People, no pastor and politician and police, no wicked, don't know how much people, the artist boy there, left a moan for them pygmy, don't know how much people, the artist boy they left fatherless, and the whole come out, I talk about free cartel. Free cartel, I want God send an angel from Gabriel go down there go kill him. I want God send Gabriel, a good killer angel go down there go kill him. A whole heap of people, a little wicked boy they left.
Yo, all the only thing we can manage to pray for, you know, is guidance and protection in the rest. Me feel like say God too busy. There's too much things for God deal with, you know. You know, see it, and him give me the power to deal with the rest. For me, really, no, but if you know them people, there's various things cause if God prepare to kill a man for you, you must prepare for evil as a property and make you rich and all them sort of thing there. And if you have a way of communicating this message to him or asking for this favor, you're not supposed to can get the message to him about getting rich and establish some ambition somewhat, you know, as well, and probably elevate yourself out of the situation because you fair prayer for him kill somebody. You know, me don't know. Probably I just pay evil for your God want to do for your.
One for them pick me when I do them. No. God Almighty, you can't send Gabriel go down any prison with 5 cartel there. Any prison with 5 cartel there, you can't send Gabriel go down there. In the name of Jesus Christ, make you wake up one morning and hear say 5 cartel dead.
You have people named Gabriel too, you know. And probably somebody innocent son there prison named Gabriel, you know, you know. Yo! I have a Gabriel when they are prison with Cartel there for watch himself, no, you know, the real Vybz Cartel sound, you know, bloodthirsty. It could have just take out everybody when named Gabriel when I vicinity Rasta. Anyway, if I could continue because that's a laughing matter, you know, but the lady make it sound like a laughing matter. She don't sound like she mourn the loss of somebody because again, your pain, I gotta make certain that pain relatable, that close to home, that's you don't even want to mention it, you know. You know? You don't want to mention it.
And only gunshot alone kill people. Mighty God, mighty God, mighty God, send Gabriel go down there. Mighty God, send Gabriel go down in the prison where Vybz Cartel in. Mighty God, send Gabriel go down in the prison where Vybz Cartel in. Me I tell you from your heart, me I tell you from your heart, Almighty God, Vybz Cartel need for go down. Vybz Cartel need for dead. I want wicked man. I want wicked man. Me don't know which woman birth him. Me don't know which animal birth him. Jesus Christ. I wish animal birth you. Eh? You not kill enough. You not kill enough. You better you kill out shorty family them cause them wicked like you. But leave the innocent people and make them survive. Leave the innocent people and make them live. Kill out shorty and Jomo family them around because
Vybz Cartel sound like a wicked asshole by the lady a standard, by the woman a standard. But woman, me I tell you say, you not sound no better. You not sound no better. You I say somebody wicked and I say yourself wicked. Or I say yourself wickeder. Because you are describe yourself to, you know. And but yeah, you don't know why you are it's a third party opinion where I get on the issue of Vybz Cartel, which me now take away from a true you attack. Everything where you attack a true about Vybz Cartel. But you see, you now give us no area, no space. Let's assume everything where I say a true about Vybz Cartel. You see, your communicatability in the instance here is dead cold. We feel like you don't even, I feel like you don't even miss your son. I feel like it's the authority and the privilege where having him as a son comes with is that you miss more than anything else. And it's unfortunate. You know, see, and the mother them across Jamaica who make this thing seem normal because hear how she sound, it sound acceptable, like she expect everybody to accept that and know say, yeah. I mean, it sound like this is the order of the day, this is the nature of affair in today's Jamaica type of thing. You know, so, you understand me? Your one son dead and you want a whole community dead off. You want a whole city dead off for that. You want everybody dead. There's nobody where you have mercy for or any compassion pan Rasta. I mean, what kind of son could that son have been? Coming from you. Being say you raise him because I don't know you get, and since your son dead, you get a cold-hearted. This was premeditated, calculated. This is a nature of yours, naturally. You see, this is not new. See? So obviously you, that nature never did go grow no chicken. That nature sound like it grew to somebody, the Vybz Cartel where you are described. In any case, if this is truly Vybz Cartel mother is just like you. You know, see? And them thing that you have to consider. There is no, you can't you can't just deserve all of the blame so and blame everybody else without taking any responsibility for yourself. You don't sound right, Rasta. You know, see, you don't sound like a regular human being. Your attitude, your action is not acceptable. Every mother have compassion for everybody else speak me. Every woman usually have compassion. You have some woman will never get pregnant yet, but them have the most compassion for children, have the most love for children, Rasta. You know, see. You know, see, the eye, I will fix up on yourself, man, before you come into the public and try ball crocodile tears and look mercy from people. You know how much woman have wicked picnic, not because you picnic dead. Because you sound like you pick one wicked boy, Rasta. You don't sound like you grew up a humble child. You don't sound so, if you're a child humble, remember me tell you, chip fly far from the block. You know, see. Anyway, we'll just make it play till it's done. About 2 more minutes left, or so. So I just make it run because phone battery are soon dead too. So if it cut off, you know, prematurely, you know, the battery gone. We give thanks.
Them start the wickedness with you. Yeah, man. But leave the innocent people and make them survive. Jesus Christ, politician, police and pastor. When you look on Jamaica and see how Jamaica stay. When you no see it. When you no see it, we have too much pastor. And let me tell you this. Me and no pastor. But God stand up for me. Me and no pastor, but God stand up for me. So me know if God stand up for me, and all of them pastor ya come together and put Jamaica first and stop put money first. Me know say the violent will stop. Me know the violent will stop because me tell you this when them keep my son a Christian pen. God stand up for me. Every time me stand up and lift my right hand to him and say, God, take care of this to me. By the day if you done me here, so then take care of me. I tell you that. Me I tell you that. So me know all of them wicked pastor, yeah. Like Clive Campbell, the one down a worldwide and the one a 7-day run a Christian pen, all on a wicked pastor. Come together and do Esther fasting, 21-day fasting, 28-day fasting, and make Gabriel kill out the whole of them gunman where walk and kill people. Can make me tell you something. When you see we go on to Mexico when I here, when it a go on, me dey on my foot them.
Hey, Cartel.
When it a go on, me dey on my foot them.
You better watch out for Gabriel, you know. The taste strap. Hey.
Me dey on my foot them.
Gabriel Abrams. Gabriel Adams.
Mexico.
Gabriel Josephs. Stay far from Vybz Cartel.
I chant to no don't. I chant to no don't. I chant to no don't. So Nelly would have most of the dead. I chant to no don't. I chant to no don't. Me no come out on no back. So me I beg all of the mother them where they are girl park and Christian pen will lose them loved one to the wicked, ugly family there on a Christian pen. Uno get up off on no foot and take up on a dishcloth and ban on no belly and go in a 3-day Esther fasting, 21-day Esther fasting, 20 and no come out of them back. No come out of Rambo Dodos.
What kind of fasting that? We should talk about. They want to repeat the name and make a mistake. I call the devil. What we say still? What we say Rasta? You know, you have to know God all the time, man. And them depths of depravity away I depend upon God for this time, yeah, Rasta. If you didn't know God all the while, you'd ask him for the benefits them where would enable you to get yourself and your son out of a situation like this. You know, see it. So obviously, and now when your son dead, you remember God. And if you didn't know him all the while, and him still allow you to in them depravity there, where your son have to meet him downfall like that. And at least God choose to do for you. It's like, who you are pray to, man?
Santa and Brocky and Trooper and the whole of them want to see them put up their name as wanted for around a Christian pen. No come out of them back. No come out of them back. And let me tell you something. See if you don't want to see justice. Because justice no there at Jamaica. But if you don't take it up with God, you will get justice. You will get justice. Jesus Christ, have mercy. Have mercy, Jesus.
1 minute left. 1
Send
minute.
out the destiny helper, then go rescue the good and loving people then in a Gurger Park. Because you have some good and loving people in a Gurger Park. Send out the destiny helper, them mighty God. If you go encamp it round them, you know them by name. I would have called them, but I don't want to call them name. If you no gunman go kill them. But you know them by name, Almighty God. Encamp it round them. Encamp it round them. And break the chain and the barrier of the wicked people them and make the whole of them fall, Almighty God.
That sound like you know God until your son drop out. Nah, to no lie. lady, I saw your son, you know, see your son, you're wrought with bitterness and ice and coldness. And for them level of pregnancy, the mother them under. What more can we expect? How more depraved and how more wicked are the sons and the daughters, you know, with mothers like these. Now, I know you suffer, I know you hurt over your son's death. You see, but, you know, you have to be compassionate. You have to be the maternal instinct. I don't say nothing of that chip in. I don't hear nothing maternal about you, right? That's a bare wickedness. And, you know, see, the thing with me I think about is the youth, them. If this is the norm for a woman come out and attack them, yeah, you know, that means, and she alone, I think like that. Many mothers is of that nature, Rasta. Hence the reason why the youth them so crass and, you know, valueless. You know, no standard, no dead, no principle, no dead again. And the mother them set the principle them nowadays through the ghetto privilege where them bad son can provide them the immunity where them can walk around with and the air of entitlement where them can walk around the community with and do what them want do and act the way them want act. This is very much so like one of them type of mother there. You know, see? And them type of mother they usually cost them son life because them go out, them usually go out and look trouble, make trouble for them people there and make people hate them for things where them they even know about or where them they even do. People with them and them was friend, them grow together, them mother cause them for hate them. Cause them people have to hate them and them they even know. Man a deal with them hypocritically same way and prepare for sell them out for little and nothing. For free too. You know see it? Cause them fear him. And him can't trust him, him not really like him because even if him like him and respect him, him know say him family them more infuriating than him. And you know, and because of him, why them is like that. You know see it? So as long as him bat fly, you know, them calm, them cool, and no disrespect. See? Vybz Cartel for love the fuck him love it. And him still love it. See? Him grow past them thing them. I don't know what the desire in that. I must some sick, twisted nature where you for your born, you just crass and you're sick like that. Narcissistic, psychopathic, secretly controlled. Particularly in Jamaica, it is the control because the examples them around you know where for sure you up more or is a lot depraved. So your secret fantasies them can easily go unobserved because gang war go on 10 shot of fire. You know, man I get 10 shot head a blow off and thing like that. So a little secret fetish killing around here. So we'll go and notice like I say. So enough of them things they can go on and develop and the possibilities there. You know see it. So it could be possible that all the allegations are true, but we not have no evidence of that. None whatsoever at all. Point what we are trying to make is this lady don't sound very much different from the character which she had described. As graphic as I just described Vybz Cartel could be, this lady sound like she would have sit down and deliberately grow 10 of Vybz Cartel, 10 at the type of Vybz Cartel which she described. You see it? And the comment section is there. Make we discuss it. These are the nature where maintain the depraved status quo. We say, go on down there. When we hear mother come out with them high level of double standard, you're like nobody now no sense. Anyway, a long time it go on and we could stop. You see it. We give thanks.